It's Black Friday weekend sale at one of the renowned supermarket. Customers are taking full advantage of the special weekend and selecting items from their shopping lists. But as time passes, the checkout counters begin to see longer queues. With the growing crowd, the system starts showing signs of strain, and customers getting anxious about the delay. Meet Chris. He works in the NOC and supports the supermarket and ensures a seamless shopping experience for customers. While monitoring, he starts receiving alerts about system slowness, which is impacting customer billing time. Chris immediately springs into action to start on the BMC HelixGPT console for investigating the problem. The retail outlet service is experiencing issues, and he wants to investigate. The health timeline helps Chris to show occurred changes followed by events and incidents. BMC's unique layered topology provides detailed insights about the impact from mainframe to applications. Chris observes, nothing is critical yet, but there is some warning. The impact has been started from network and infrastructure, which is the causal layer, traversing via host and container to applications and containers. Logical view of this service displays key connectivity between each of the components, and it clearly indicates a specific node has a failure, impacting business applications. Chris decides to seek help from HelixGPT to know the root cause of this issue. BMC HelixGPT pulls up a curated summary with key information around the root cause and also provides recommendation for the resolution. Before running the automation, Chris wants to be confident and get more details about the issue. He can observe that the specific change started at 7:10 a.m. resulting into events and incidents. Health indicator predictions informs Chris about the possible impact in near future on the users, and this can lead to a shortfall of 50,000 orders resulting in $26 million in losses. It also provides information about similar instances in the past and how these situations were resolved using an automation with 95% success rate. Chris is now confident to run the automation to resolve the issue. Chris is happy to see the service health score is back to normal with successful remediation. The systems are returning to their optimal performance. The systems are back, and the transactions are running smoothly. The queues gradually decrease, and customers are left satisfied. Customers are appreciative of the supermarket's efficient retail point-of-sale system, thanks to Chris's proactive actions. Chris has a powerful ally in BMC AIOps, which utilizes AI and HelixGPT to investigate problems, identify the root cause, and provides best action recommendation. The HelixGPT-generated summary, the recommendations and automation significantly improves the mean time to resolution.